Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng PLDT high speed hitters ang Farm Fresh 25-20, 25-23, 25-23. Best player of the game si Kim Fajardo sa likod ng kanyang 3 points at 12 excellent sets. Winalis din ng Creamline Call Smashers ang Inlex Lead Chameleons 25-18, 25-18, 25-20. Best player of the game si Bernadette Pons matapos nagtala ng 13 points mula sa 11 attacks at 2 aces na may kasamang 14 excellent digs. Tinalo naman ng Cherry Tigo crossovers ang Galleries Tower High Racers 25-17, 22-25, 25-23, 25-16. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Ara Galang matapos nagtala ng 16 points mula sa 11 attacks at 5 blocks. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 8, 2024. Para sa Pool A, Creamline Call Smashers 4 wins, 1 loss, 13 points. PLDT High Speed Hitters 4 wins, 1 loss, 12 points. Cherry Tigo Crossovers 4 wins, 1 loss, 11 points. Farm Fresh 2 wins, 3 losses, 5 points. NX Lead Chameleons 1 win, 4 losses, 2 points. Galleries Tower High Racers 0 win, 5 losses, 2 points. Sa Pool B naman, Akari Chargers 5 wins, 0 loss, 13 points. Signal HD Spikers 4 wins, 1 loss, 12 points. Capital One Solar Spikers 3 wins, 2 losses, 8 points. Petrogas Angels 2 wins, 3 losses, 7 points. Chocomocho Flying Titans 1 win, 4 losses, 5 points. Zeus Thunderbells 0 win, 5 losses, 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong August 10, 2024 na gaganapin sa Phil Sports Arena. Sa first game, maglalaban ang Akari Chargers kontra sa Galleries Tower High Racers alauna ng hapon. Sa second game, magtutos ang Signal HD Spikers at Farm Fresh alas 3 ng hapon. At sa main game naman, maglalaban ang Capital One Solar Spikers at Inlex Lead Chameleons sa alas 5 ng hapon. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.